Hello everyone. I'm just going to wish everyone a very happy Christmas. And the best thing to get through all this is just to go for a really lovely walk in nature, wherever it is. A park, if you're somewhere urban, if you're near anywhere that has trees, particularly at sunset to dusk time. I'm just taking in, after a long walk all the way around Rushmore estate in North Dorset, I'm taking in the sunset to dusk colours. We've got swirls of blues, peaches and yellows. It's absolutely stunning here. And then you have the reflective light in the watery puddles along the track that we've just walked up this hill. And I call this area, it's like a beech woodland. This is all beech trees, which I filmed back in autumn with the Autumn Spectacular. And then to the east we have the moon. Absolutely stunning. This is a very quiet part. Let's go back to that moon a minute. Just let you know that the next full moon is on the 30th of December and it's called the cold moon. It's starting to get more rounded. There we go. We've just seen a deer, but I couldn't film it because it didn't hang around for long. It was just a baby deer. But I'm sure there's probably loads of deer in the woodland. It's quite hard to spot them, even though it's very sparse now and bare. But they're so camouflaged. This is a scene I'm definitely going to paint in watercolour. Maybe before the new year. So watch out for this sunset to dusk in the woods of Rushmore.